guys, this is really exciting. If you love jewelry, you are going to love this video. So this company reached out to me offering free for review jewelry, $30 worth of items, and then they ship it to me. The company is called Letsinstyle. All of the links in the description will be in the description below, and I will include a link to each item that I chose to order. There was so much to choose from. In addition to these amazing prices, there's also a 10% off of your total coupon in the description below. So, okay, let's see what the first item is. We have a black lace necklace. It's a Gothic choker collared chain, and get ready, $2.30, and you get 6 of them. It has a lock collar and a romantic look to it. Sorry, it's actually 7 pieces that you receive for $2.30, and this is the information from the website with the style number, because you can order a variation of each item. This being style 2. Okay, so the next is a Bohemian vintage turquoise adjustable bangle. It's $2.65 for 3 of them, and it is an alloy metal. That's a pretty good view, so I'm not going to actually take this one out of the package. We could just view the description from the website, but can you get over that price? $2.65, and you're getting 3 of these bangles. It says Bohemian vintage hollow carve geometric bangle. And it says it's adjustable so that it will fit any wrist. This is just an amazing deal. Okay, so the next is boho silver vine leaf flower rings. And you get a set of 4, but you get 6 packages. So for $2.27, you're getting 6 sets of 4. Nature-inspired jewelry collection. And it is an alloy material. So let's just take a look at each ring. Looks like a floral design. Yeah, another rose with a leaf, another floral, and then the floral and the vine. That's why it's a vine leaf floral ring set. And that $2.27 is the total for all 6 packages that have 4 in each package. Gosh, that's just amazing. It says it's an antique silver color, and there are 4 different styles you could choose. I'm not sure about the ring size, or if you can choose what size you want with each, whatever choice of design you choose. Okay, so the next is a fashion moon cat earring, long tassel ear thread. It's a women's copper/wind, I don't know what that means, plated white gold. So for $2.22, you're getting 2 pair of these threaded earrings. And I'm not able to thread it through the model's ear, so I just kind of hung it over the ear. But there you can see the cat and the moon. So it is a copper material, and it is plated white gold. For $2.22, you get 2 pair of this earring. A unique moon cat with a sleek and elegant look. Durable and long-lasting. With a touch of charm, a glamorous look for all occasions. All right, so the next is a black circle necklace. It's a delicate choker collar Lolita short style with diamond inlay. Okay, say whoa. $3.79, and you're getting 2 in the package. What? Okay, so it's copper with gold plating or platinum plate. So I'm not sure what this has, both or what, but it's diamond studded. Heavens, what an amazing deal. So it's $3.79, and you get 2. High quality copper, sleek black color ensuring durability, shiny surface enhancing the charm, delicate, stylish, and adjustable. High quality craftsmanship with simplicity and elegance. All right, so the next is ethnic style earrings and necklace set with vintage style turquoise. This is an alloy material. It's $2.42, and with this one you get 3 in the package. So you're going to get the earring and the necklace times 3 for $2.42. So it's the flower design, silver tone with turquoise, high quality, durable, and it has a standard chain style with an extender. Wire hook earrings, traditional, ethnic, and modern combination. So the next is another earring and necklace set. It's an ethnic style earring and necklace set, the vintage style of the turquoise. It's an alloy material. This one is $2.65. You get 3 sets. This one looks like it has some crystal or maybe a rhinestone, I guess, at the top of the earring, and then the turquoise at the bottom. Same with the necklace. Silver tone hook earring with matching necklace chain pendant. High quality craftsmanship. Versatile chain design is adjustable. It has an extender. And that's 3 of these for $2.65. They certainly look like they would cost so much more. I don't know where you can get this quality for this price. Okay, so this one is elegant tassel drop earrings with zircon stone. Oh my heavens. Now this one has an actual gemstone. It's a thread earring. It is copper, but it's plated with white gold for only $2.22, and you're getting 2 in the package. This copper thread earring is durable, high quality, and it is resistant to tarnish, so it's ensuring lasting beauty with a touch of femininity and grace. It's a water drop zircon fashionable stone with an elegant design. For $2.22, you get 2 pair. The white gold plating gives a sleek, polished finish. It's a perfect accessory. And is this an unbeatable price? This is an amazing deal. All right, so this is a set of hair clips. It's 3-piece. It's a pearl hair clip set, and it is $2.27, and you're getting 3, and then you're also getting 3 packages. So for $2.27, there's actually 9 hair clips. There are different variations, so I chose this lavender color. So it has the lavender stone and then the pink crystal look, and then the faux pearl on the one. The other one is all faux pearl, and then the other one is just the gold tone. It can be worn casual or formal, and it is a secure clip-on, and it's very stylish. $2.27 for 3 sets. Okay, so the next fashion jewelry I chose is a vintage red rose gold metal flower crystal Lolita lace bracelet. It is $2.21 with 4 in the package, so I did get 2 of those, so I actually have 8 here. So it was $2.21 for 4 packages. It is a gold tone alloy metal with a crystal element, it says. So it's the black lace around the wrist with a lobster claw and an extender, so it will fit all sizes. Red fabric rose on top of the wrist with a red bead design, and then the black chain takes you to the finger where you put the ring on with a plastic red faceted stone. And the ring is actually adjustable, but I didn't want to mess with it because I do sell on Poshmark. So for $2.21, you receive 4 of these high-quality, romantic, and feminine vibe jewelry accessory, which fits nice on the ankle as well. So this is the last one. So this is a black lace necklace set. It's a gothic choker collar, $2.19, and this one says you actually get 7 of these in the package. So it's the beautiful fabric, looks like a floral. Has a silver tone lobster claw, an extender, so you can wear it as a necklace or as a choker, it appears. And I remember from ordering that there are a variety of styles to choose from. This just happens to be the one I chose. It's a high quality, romantic type of necklace, jewelry, accessory. And that is the last item in my order. So you guys, I have to say, I am impressed. When they contacted me and said you can choose $30 worth of jewelry, I did not expect it to be so nice. If anyone knows of any other website where you can get an amazing deal like this at these prices, you let me know in the comments below, because I have not seen this quality at these prices anywhere. And all of the information about the company, links to each individual item, and a link just to shop on their website is in the description below. And as always, I want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.